Tonight I am going to make some spaghetti and make a bunch of it and put it in some bowls and put it in the freezer. Already got my spaghetti cooked. All I got to do is make this. Got to make sure this hamburger meat cooks fully. I've already been to sleep, and so I'm going to stay up the rest of the night, and then I've got someplace to go in the morning, and then I'll be back home about 11 o'clock. Okay, I am going to add some salt. And I'm going to add a little garlic pepper. And I'm using ragu, a chunky mushroom sauce, spaghetti sauce. I've got my spaghetti draining, so I just got it off. I may put a little garlic and pepper seasoning in this also. I like to doctor it up. I'm gonna go ahead and put my spaghetti in my bowl. Get this good and done. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let this cook for a few minutes. This is the third video I've made today. Cut that up. I went to sleep this evening and I just woke up a while ago. since I retired nearly 3 years ago, I just sleep whenever I get a chance. Let me wipe that off. You can see the mushrooms in this. I like to use that ragu spaghetti sauce. It does so good. And I like the mushroom kind. Although I've got mushrooms I could put in it, but I didn't. I like this to cook down just a little bit. There's my spaghetti. I made a bunch of spaghetti. But I'm going to fix this and put it in little bowls and put it in the freezer. I like to cook things ahead of time. And that way I can pull it out and put it in the microwave. All right, I'm going to pour this in my bowl. Get this over here. Oh, I'm gonna need a fork. Oh. This will make several dinners for me, or suppers, or sometimes I'll even like it warmed up for breakfast. Okay, these are the bowls. I ordered these from Amazon the other day, and they're so handy. I'm gonna have to put some of this. Now I'll put the rest of it in here. Okay. Now these bowls have got lids to them. I may eat one of these tonight. Boy. I've got enough for 8 meals. I'll put these out in the deep freeze. I've got a chest freezer out there in the garage. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. So I've got enough for 6 meals. All right. If you like this video, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank y'all so much.